Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different than what I normally put up on my channel, but today is a little bit more something serious. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a company called Stop Wrecks, and what they are is a company that promotes, and this is their logo right here, and it says Wrecks up there, and at the bottom it says Driving Club. So this t-shirt, what else does it says? 12 points and since 2016. So this company basically promotes for people to stop driving and texting. That is a serious thing, and it doesn't matter if you are an experienced driver or if you are new at driving, and this can be a message to the older and to the young. If you are driving, it only takes a second for someone to look down real quick. Even if you think you can drive really good, you may look down because you hear that ding on your phone. Your phone may go off and you just want to grab it and look at it. It only takes a second for you to have an accident, or for anything to happen, or for another car to hit you. It could be anything. So this shirt that I am showing you guys today is kind of like just a way to support and to show that you're part of a club of stopping people from driving and texting. There's all kinds of different clubs, the drunk driving and everything, but Rex is about text messaging while driving. And we have to, me personally, having 4 kids and 2 of them are grown and are able to drive, I always talk to them about seatbelts, driving while texting, all of that, trying to do the music, like keep your eyes on the road and stay focused. So this is very serious to me, and it is something that I feel very dearly about. So I wanted to come and share this with you guys, even if it helps one of you or thousands of you guys, just to pass the message along. And if you are interested in getting one of these shirts to kind of support and maybe be part of the club, I will link their website down below. It's a cute little dinosaur. I think he's cute, and it kind of has that vintage look to it. Actually, let me put it on. Okay, so as you can see, I have it on. I think it's a cute little dinosaur. It says Rex at the top because you're trying to prevent wrecks, and it says Driving Club. So it's just about being a part of a club that helps to stop people from texting while driving. That is a serious thing. Sometimes I'm driving down the street and I see people texting while driving. It's scary, and like I said, I push for people to stop doing that, as well as drinking and driving, but texting is just as serious. So I just wanted to come and share that with you guys and let you know about this little company and this little program or whatever. I'm for it 100%, and like I said, their website will be linked down below in case you want to purchase your own shirt and be a little part of their little club, or just to help promote. So I thank you guys for watching. Now we are going to get back to our regularly, I can't say that, regularly we are going to get back to our regularly you guys think I'm playing? I'm super serious. Regularly, how do you say it? Say it right now. Anyways, we're gonna get back to my normal filming. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Regularly, how do you say that? Regularly. We're going to get back to our we're gonna get back to our regularly. Why can't I say that word? I think it's because I'm on film. We're going to get back to our regularly. Hold on. Say, how do you say, why can't I say this word? Hold on. Wait.
Regularly.
I know that's what it say. Regularly. See, when I say it fast, I can't say it. We're gonna get back to our regularly. It sounds so stupid. Regularly. But when I say it slow. Regularly. We are going to get back to our regularly. schedule, program.
Regularly.
Ah! Bye, you guys.